video, we are going to explore some of the components of a smart home. So as we can see, uh, a smart home is composed of smart devices and that is being connected to the internet. So for this one, we have two coaxial cables. Leave the coaxial splitter in the topology shown, which is this one. So which devices does the coaxial cable connected to was to the television and the cable modem. So the modem is connected to the home gateway, which is also connected to the smart solar panel, which is connected to smart battery and connected to the all various devices of our smart home. So let's try which are the devices connected to our home gateway. We open the tablet, go to the desktop and IoT monitor. So as we can see, all the credentials are already here. So we will click login or enter. As we can see the list of devices connected to our IoT monitor or the smart devices connected to our network. So we have the smoke detector, smart alarm, garage door, the smart window, the smart door, the smart sprinkler, smart water meter, temperature meter, smart coffee maker, smart fan, and the smart lamp. So let's minimize this window and let's interact with our smart home. So now, as we see in the tablet, these are the devices connected to our smart home. The on asking what is displayed is the devices connected to our network, which are mostly our smart devices. So our smart door is currently locked. So currently unlocked. So we will go to our smart door and we will click lock. So now we know that the door is locked since the doorknob or the keyhole as let's try to zoom. As we see, the keyhole is turned red, which indicates that the door is already locked. And for the next one, we will unlock the door again. So we can see the door is unlocked since the keyhole, let's zoom a bit, turned green. So now we will check for our smoke detector. So for this one, the reading of the smoke detector is 0 since there is no smoke detected in our smart home. So can the smoke detector be controlled? Yes, it can be, but by using of a smoke. Let's try to using our classic car. Let's click. As we can see, it releases smoke and there is a reading from the smoke level from our smoke detector. So by clicking alt, click again. So the reading the level will become back to zero. So that how we control our smoke detector, since the smoke from the classic car can be used to uh, control our smoke detector. So we will try to on our smart coffee maker by clicking by alt click, and as we can see, the smart coffee maker is also on. So we can turn it off here. So as we can see, the smart coffee maker is off. So let's try to figure some devices. So we already logged in, and let's start the engine by clicking the classic car. I'll click. So this is the classic car. So from the smoke detector, it rises from 0 to 10, and as we can see, as the smoke detector detects the smoke, it let it opens the garage door, it open the smart door, it's the smart fan starts to run, and the smart window is open, since to avoid fog or accumulation of the smoke. That is why the smart window, the doors, and the garage door are open. What happens inside the air inside the house after MC opens it? So as we can see, let's try to check it here. So everything is on high, just to make sure that the smoke uh, go out. So as we can see, the smoke level is minimized, which is 1.6 something. So it can be stopped or it can be closed when we stop the engine of the car. So let's try to stop the engine of the car. So as we can see, as the smoke detector lowers, the garage door is closed, the smart door is closed, the smart fan stops, and the smart window is closed. So that's how we control our monitoring levels for this. The air quality inside the house is being minimized, since as the windows open, so the smoke allows to go outside the house. So as I said earlier, to avoid accumulation, so that will lower the level of smoke based on the detector. So now the engine is off, there is no smoke release, so there is a level of 0, and everything is closed, and the smart fan stops. So as we can see, we explore the different functions of the smart home. In our smart home, with different devices, we can control most of the devices with just a tablet or a smartphone. Like what when we're trying this to our smartphone, let's try this one, and let's try to log in. like tablet, we can control it, the door, to unlock the door, to lock the door. So as we can see, it also appear here. So let's try. We can open the garage door using our smartphone, and we can off it or close the door by using also a smartphone. So these devices can help to control our smart devices at home. So this is an example of this example shows that the decision between the cloud and the file processing depends on the application, or this means that depends on how we connect our devices. So but the downs, since these devices are all connected to the internet, if the internet was lost or the device is not connected to the internet, we cannot control these devices, since its decisions are based on the response of a device that is being connected to the internet. So the internet connection plays a key role in controlling these devices on a smart home setup. Hope you like this video, and see you again next time.